Since 1995, Contronics has been creating, developing, and manufacturing electronic equipment, softwares, and solutions to meet specific needs of the professional safety market. Even before 1995, Contronics engineers had already developed portable electronic devices used by patrol officer and complete guard tour system, which are now highly popular worldwide. As a matter of fact, Contronics is known as one of the first manufacturers of electronic guard tour devices in the world. They are used in over 72 countries by the largest security and surveillance companies. We are known for the extremely high quality and durability of our products, which are resistant to situations that would normally destroy other products. Yet, Contronics is much more than just surveillance and security. In 2006, after 5 years of research and development, Contronics launched a new line of products called Clavium, aimed to control of keys and small objects. We all remember the old keys cabinet, the traditional cabinet where keys are hung on nails. Clavium is a 21st century keys cabinet. It is an impenetrable metal safe where important keys can be kept. To get a key fob out of Clavium, you must first identify yourself by entering a password. Then, select the Remove Key Fob function. Select one or any more key fobs you want to remove. It is only possible to remove the key fobs you have permission to remove at a time. For example, let's say a person is authorized to get the key to one of the company cars only during work time and not on weekends or at night. You can only have access to a key fob when you are authorized to do so. All information on who removed the key and at what time it was removed is stored in the non-volatile Clavium memory and sent to a computer. There are many ways to return a key fob. The more natural and easier way is to insert the key set in the Clavium external reader. Insert the key set in any available slot. Check for confirmation. Done! Clavium can connect to the TCP/IP network. The Clavium monitoring and control software is installed in a computer linked to its database. All Clavium operations can be monitored on real time. Several reports showing who removed a specific key fob or all the keys removed by any person can also be issued at any time. The software that comes with Clavium is powerful and easy to use. It is through this software that you can determine which keys will be controlled by Clavium, who has the authorization to remove them, and the availability of schedules. You can also be informed about what actions to take in case a key fob is not returned at a specific time. For example, it is possible to set the system to send a SMS message to the storage supervisor informing him or her that a set of key was not returned at the time it should have. Clavium can also send an email informing that some specific operation has been carried out. Clavium is manufactured in two models, one for 20 keys and another for 96 keys. Several Clavium can be installed and work together, creating a cluster of Clavium and increasing their capacity. Contronics can also manufacture, if ordered, Claviums for any number of keys. Every Clavium has a no-break circuit with a built-in battery that enables it to work for 24 hours in case there is a power outage. A display indicates the battery power level. Clavium is built-in steel and is strong and resistant. It has several internal sensors that detect and set off alarms in case it is broken into or forced open in any way. Before it's packed and shipped, Clavium undergoes strict quality control evaluations at the factory. Clavium is the solution to many of the everyday problems that administrators of big and small companies have to deal with. Here are some real situations. One of the employees has been fined for running a red light in one of the company cars. The manager looks for the control chart of that vehicle but cannot find it, or it is not sure it can be trusted. He needs to report the employee to the DMV so that he can be punished and also deduct the value of the fine off the driver's salary. Now, who was the driver? Easy. Clavium controls the keys to all the company vehicles. All you have to do is check the software on the computer screen or issue a printed report. Another case. The company nurse needs to store dangerous and controlled medications. Still, 15 boxes of a very expensive and hard to obtain medication disappear. Despite being an embarrassing situation, it has an easy solution. Checking Clavium, it is possible to know who the last people to get the keys out of the cabinet were. Thus, the medication can be quickly recovered.